Hi guys, welcome to another episode with Queen. So yesterday we looked at an essentialist and I know we ended the episode with saying an essentialist is one who knows how to make a choice, discern and let go. But now today we're going to be looking at how to actually discern and then let go. How to from the very many options make a choice and let go of the rest. And the first thing topping that list is for you to escape. Yeah, you need time to escape from work, activities, your phone, technology. Yesterday I was on a technology fast and 3 hours without my phone, guy. I was not like I was sleeping. 3 hours without my phone. My phone was not dead. It was a whole lot. But then at the end of the technology fast, I realized that it's actually a very good thing and you are more productive within this time period. So when you are escaping, you should have a space to design, a space to concentrate, and a space to read. Very important. This is the reason why you are escaping. For you to think outside work and under stress. It's your time just to wrap up how things are going. The next thing you should do is to look. It's not enough to know where, when, how, to hear. For you to look, for you to understand, to look at things in different perspectives, for you to try to understand the lead in the story, not just saying what people say. For you to put yourself in different people's shoes and know what's happening. Now, as an essentialist, you should learn to see the bigger picture. You should learn to be an observer and a listener. Don't just listen just to respond, but actually observe, listen, know what's happening. Also, you should learn to keep a journal. It's a good thing and actually revisit those journals later. But learn to keep I think it's even this is one thing I learned today because for someone like me, I do keep a journal but I'm not very consistent with it. And I did learn a new trick today on how to cover the journal thing. But yeah, it's good that you keep a journal. Also, you should go out to the field and learn to know what the problem is, learn to understand. It's not from your phone, from your bed that you will know, okay, this is what's happening, okay, this is what I can do. Or just sitting down in the office table and from there you are just analyzing. Or learn to go out, learn to see, learn to know, okay, how things are really happening. This will help you when making decisions so that you are taking the or rather making the essential decisions. Also, learn to view from different points in a story. Learn to view from different people's points of view how things are happening in this person's life. Another thing that you should learn to do is to learn to play. When you play, yeah, it's kind of like a children thing that we did, but really help you still see things through different perspectives. You should learn to sleep. Sleep is very vital. It is one way that you invest in yourself. Because when you sleep, you allow your brain to rest and you could wake up and be more productive. Another thing that you should do is to learn to select. Now, another thing that you should do is to learn to select. We've said if you go through just the steps, you can then select what's best for you, what is the best decision to make, making the right choices. Because if you think critically, then you can make right decisions, which is very true. So this is that for being an essentialist. Thank you guys for joining me on today's episode. See you tomorrow. Bye.